Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing any immediate hazard. Disconnect the 12V battery and wait 10 minutes so the airbag capacitors discharge. While you wait, gather a torque wrench, steering wheel puller, torque spits, T30/T40, and trim tools. Park the car with the front wheels straight and mark the wheel-to-column alignment with a paint pen or tape. This prevents rotation errors later. Once done, test that the horn and airbag circuits are dead with a multimeter. Then move to unbolting the airbag module carefully. You now unbolt the airbag module using the specified Torx bolts and lift it straight out, taking care to unclip the airbag harness gently. Label connectors as you go. Next, loosen the central nut but keep it threaded a few turns. Use a steering wheel puller to separate the wheel from the splined shaft to avoid damaging the column. Once free, remove the wheel and transfer trim pieces, stock switches, and record the clock spring orientation, so you preserve the center position before installing the new wheel. You fit the new wheel by aligning the marks you made, slide it onto the spline shaft so the clock spring remains centered. Hand tighten the center nut, then torque it to the vehicle manufacturer specification using your torque wrench so the wheel cannot wobble. Reconnect all harnesses and refit the airbag module, then reconnect the 12V battery. Make sure to test the horn, steering wheel buttons, and confirm the airbag light goes out. If a fault appears, recheck clock spring alignment and connector seating before clearing codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.